Have you ever wondered why your laptop was super fast when you first bought it, but now it feels like a lazy sloth after a holiday feast? Even if your storage isn't full, let me break it down for you. Think of your laptop like a new coffee shop. When you first get it, everything's sparkling clean and you have a fresh team of baristas ready to serve you. Over time, though, the shop gets busy. Customers keep coming in, the new coffee shop gets new coffee recipes get added to the menu, and the baristas start feeling overwhelmed. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Over time, apps that you install love to stay open quietly in the background, even when you're not using them. Imagine extra coffee orders piling up without you noticing. Even updates to your operating system can add more of these sneaky processes. Second, old software on new hardware. New software is often designed for newer, faster hardware, but your laptop's components stay the same. It's like asking a bicycle delivery guy to compete with a motorcycle guy. He's trying, but it's exhausting. Third, the fragmentation, even on SSDs, yes. Even though SSDs are faster than older hard drives, files can still get a bit messy and fragmented, making your computer work harder to find what it needs, like searching for one spoon in a cluttered drawer. Fourth, dust and heat. Very crucial. Your laptop also collects dust inside, and when it gets hot, it automatically slows down to protect itself. Kind of like how you move slower when you're too hot to function. What you can do is speed things up, uninstall unnecessary applications, disable starter programs, clean the fans and vents, at least weekly or monthly, update your drivers and software, smash that like button if this helped, and tell me your next tech mystery. I might cover it. Adios.